What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are installing finally the Borla S-type catback exhaust. So originally I was going to install this by myself. So the only reason why I'm not installing this myself is that I have to go to a shop, since what do you call this, I can't do it in my garage. I'm not allowed to do that, and then yeah, it's a pain in the ass. So at the same time, I've learned that you need some gasket with it. So we're gonna go to Honda, pick up some stuff in there, and then at the same time I'm adding some resonator into it as well, since I've heard a couple people, I've asked a couple people that the exhaust itself, it drones as well. So if you watch my recent video about my feedback with the muffler resonator delete, I hated the drone inside. So I know someone's gonna say like, oh, why don't you just put the resonator back? Well, this is just how I want to build it. I'm sorry, but this is how I want to do and build the car. And at the same time, my God, why is it so traffic? It's the weekend. And at the same time, if you don't like it, this is only for entertainment and educational purposes only. If you don't like it, I'm sorry. So right now we're just gonna go to the shop, and then hopefully it turns out good, and we'll see how everything goes. Oh, I don't like this day. Like, out of all the days it's gonna rain, it started raining. So as you can see right here, it started raining. So anyways, right now I'm just waiting. Hopefully this one turns out good, and then they have the part, since you need a gasket. I was gonna, just like what I said earlier, I was gonna do it myself, but then I'm not allowed to do it in my garage. So my best option is shop, and I'm limited to what I can do and my garage. So let's see, fingers crossed this one is turns out well. All right guys, so this one, we're gonna get rid of this one. So you see this is the one that they welded before from the straight pipe, as you can see right over here. And as for the Borla, we're replacing this one as well. You see that, and all the way straight here. So this is where the resonator was, which is a straight pipe now. And then for the Borla, I believe it's a straight pipe as well, so because it doesn't come with the resonator. So this one, the one that I was talking about on my muffler resonator delete, which makes your cabin loud. So we'll see how it goes with the Borla, and we'll see how the noise is. So this is the one. We got a Borla S-type, as you can see right in that corner right here that I'm pointing at. There should be a resonator over there, but I'm not sure. We'll see how it goes without the resonator, and then at the same time, if I don't like it, I'm probably just gonna add some resonator on it, because I've heard there's like some drones, and then some people says like, oh, it sounds good. So we'll see. We'll go with that one first, and then if I don't like it, we're just gonna probably add the resonator. I need to get a lot of work done with this car, but yeah, kind of embarrassed right now, because I don't usually film with a lot of people, like random people that I don't really know, but you know, just try to ask like if I could film. And thankfully they let me like film. So yeah, big shout out to them. Alright guys, so the straight pipe is out. So they kind of had a problem of taking this off, since I had a straight pipe. If you had a OEM one, it'll be a lot easier, but then this one, right over here, since this one right here is just a straight pipe, they took the muffler off. This is where the muffler at. So they added this as a security, and then right over here. So this one, we're gonna need this, all the rubber pieces right there, and then we're just gonna put everything back. Right, so the rubber pieces I pointed out earlier, so it attaches on this one. Oh my God, I gotta get this fixed. Freaking snow. And on this side on both ends. And then there's also one that connects that one right here, that one over there, and then 2 or 3 right over there. And then there's another one right over here. We're gonna use it. Okay, so now we're almost there. Exhaust is on, third piece is on as well. So right now I think we're just waiting for the last piece, because we need the gasket. So this is what I was talking about, the rubber piece from the straight pipe earlier. I just call it the white bar, the white pipe. And then so we'll see how this one's gonna sound like. I'm kind of excited. So right now I'm not gonna add any resonator, but then if I don't like it, I'll probably just add resonator on it and then maybe cut one of this mufflers, but we'll see. I don't think I need to cut it since it's just a bolt on. So we're just gonna add these pipe right here, and then there's another pipe that they're going to get. It's on the thing, but then they needed it to get the gasket. So anyways, we'll see how it goes. All right guys, so the whole exhaust is all attached now. As you can see, this one right here, all the way there. Out this part right here where the resonator was doesn't give me a problem. I hope the drone doesn't come, since I've heard a couple of people it says there's drone. So we'll see how that goes. Oh my god, I like it. We'll see how this is gonna sound. Alright guys, car's off the lift. Let's see how this sounds like. Oh my god, it sounds so nice. That's on an eco mode. Oh, normal mode, I mean. Oh god. I like the sound. See how car the low goes? It's only stock height. Jesus, I'm gonna have a problem when I'm getting stuff done once I lower the car. I gotta change my tent too. Oh my god, it sounds so nice, bro. Oh my god. Sounds more aggressive, way better than a straight pipe, bro. Alright guys, so the exhaust is installed, and initial thought, outside, yes, it's good. It's it has a deeper tone, and I like it. It sounds better compared to the straight pipe. And then inside the cabin, where I'm trying to eliminate, I tried to rip it a little bit on a street, but at the same time, it's what do you call this? It sounds pretty good. It's pretty quiet. It's quieter now compared to the straight pipe. And oh my god, hold on. Anyways, as I was saying, the cabin is quieter now. It sounds way better. And I'm trying to use like different modes, eco mode, the regular mode, and the paddle shifting as well. So it sounds better. So the noise went towards backwards by the trunk itself, but inside the cabin, so far doing the streets, it's pretty good. It's quiet. It's a lot quieter now compared to the straight pipe. And we'll see in a few. I'm gonna try the highway, but I was looking around the highway. It's pretty traffic, so we'll see in a few. And then I'm gonna record like what it sounds like, and I'm gonna tell you what I think about the exhaust itself. Dude, what is going on with people? This guy is like standing in the middle of the street, like cursing at every driver. It's like, bro, are you good? Oh my god. Okay, right now, so we're about to well, I'm stuttering. Okay, so right now we're about to hop on the highway, and then I'm gonna see how it sounds like and see if there's really drone, because someone told me there's drone on the car, and some people says there's none. So right now we're gonna put that to test. Hopefully it's not that traffic. It's kind of rainy, the scattered rain, so we'll see how it goes. What I also like about this exhaust is that it's like you have a straight pipe as well. Like it burbles a little bit, like with a deeper tone. I don't know if they have that on the muffler delete. I'm not quite sure, but I like the tone right now in the cabin. It's quieter. Like I feel like I could talk more to the people, to the person. maybe through phone or like in person, and like the straight pipe is really loud. Well, let me not, I feel like I'm exaggerating, but yeah, it is loud. Like you can barely hear the person you're talking to. But with this one, I feel like you could talk more, you could talk more better. Why is it more better? But with this setup right now, it's a lot better to talk when I'm talking to someone through the phone or relax, bro. On the phone or in person. So right now we're about to hop on the highway, see how it goes. And right now we're getting to my sort of exit, kind of stepping on it. So far so good. No drone. Yep, no drone still. I'm doing 40 miles per hour. Still on CVT. I'm not using paddle shifting or shifter, whatever you want to call it. Seems like a lot of people are so against with paddle shifting. Let's see. Stepping on it, doing 60. Climbing to 80. Sounds good. There's no drone. Maybe it sounds just like there's drone, but there's not. Maybe I'm wrong, okay? Maybe I'm wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. But initial thought, there's no drone. It's actually a lot better and quieter compared to a straight pipe. And it sounds good. I'm not gonna lie. It's like, I don't know, maybe it sounds like a muffler delete. But I guess, I mean, I wouldn't know because I've never been inside one. I mean, I have a friend, but I've never been inside his car. But so far, so good. No drone, no nothing. Stepping on it again. No, still quiet. Way better than the straight pipe. Yep. At this point, if I had the straight pipe, I would hear the drone. Like, it's so annoying. Like, you start getting vibration as well. But with this one, nothing. Stop. Doing 65. I mean 85. Nope. Still using CVT. No paddle shifting. So I think I'm gonna keep the exhaust setup like this and keep it on like a full bolts on, because originally I was thinking about adding resonator on it, and then I consulted some friends who has Borla. They said don't put any resonator, it's just gonna make the car quieter, might as well go back to stock. And so far I'm liking my setup right now, so maybe I'll stick with this for now, and then later on if I get sick of it I'll probably swap it out with something else. And because originally I was gonna go for DC, but this one's not too bad. I like it. So I'm gonna film some clips on how it sounds like outside of the vehicle, not just like interior. Because for me, I'm doing this exhaust to review something like, oh, I want to get rid of the drone inside. I want to make the cabin quieter, and now I feel like at this point I've achieved it, and I'm happy with it. No more loud cabin. So yeah, hopefully like the rain stops. There's like scattered rains. I'm trying to film, so I don't know why every time I've planned to film, it always rained that same day. Like, I don't get it. Like, come on, bro. I hope this rain stops in a few, so I'll be able to film some clips and show you what it sounds like outside. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys liked the video and you find this very informative, and I hope it helps you decide which route you want to go if you are thinking about getting some exhaust done to your vehicle as well. And I try to film as much as I can, but you know, they're very strict, and I'm just thankful that they let me film even just for a little bit. And big shout out to Northern Collision Body Shop. Big shout out to you guys for letting me film. And I would personally do this in my garage, but I can't do it since I don't have my own garage. But if I had, I would definitely do this so I could show you more in depth. But anyways, if you guys have any questions, drop them by the comment section below. And as always, make sure to like, subscribe to the boy if you haven't. Let's get into 1,500 subscribers, and share this to all of your friends and family. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.